Welcome back to another book review, media review. Today we're looking at manual for M1A rifle, and this is from SPRINGFIELD Has plenty of warnings right on the cover. Let's take a quick look at that. Look at the back cover. More warnings, safety warnings, as well as contact info. Let's see if I can get the lighting a little bit better. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look in here. I'm sure there's going to be a lot more safety warnings as we go. There's our table of contents, lots of sections. Let's see if I can change the lighting here real quick. See if we get a little bit less contrast. That seems to work a little bit better. Hopefully you can read that. It is a weird time of day. We're trying to film this, but let's move along. And a lot of safety warnings as per the times. Here's our nomenclature diagrams. And more warnings, of course. Section on the ammunition. More warnings, and here's a really specific one. Do not under any circumstances use old or reloaded ammunition purchased at gun shows, estate sales, or auctions. So my interpretation of the reason why that's included is because you do not necessarily know the true origin of the ammunition, and you cannot necessarily believe, even if information is provided to you in good faith, that ammunition is what it is. Always use factory ammo. So with that being said, there's a little bit more explanation why. And they're also, for legal purposes, do not want to be responsible for any damage or injury due to any misuse or usage of said ammunition that is not factory purchased. So take that as advice or knowledge for future reference. So again, you must be very careful in how you use these sort of tools and how you use them. So let's continue with this booklet. That's all I'm going to cover. More sections, more diagrams, and you can always get your own copy of this document by requesting it through the company. Again, check them out first, as well as directly through that contact information. And there are a lot of warning pages in here. I know I'm glossing over them, but again, we're just reviewing this document. I'm not going through a full educational lecture. But there's some sections here. There's some cleaning, prior, after the usage. Here's some accessory devices, a little more detail on some specific parts, and assembly, and eventually there should be some maintenance in here. This is a complicated tool, so we have plenty of devices described. Now here's a section on reference materials for further information. Again, the DATM manual, as well as how to zero, as well as an article on slam fire, which is important. So here's contact information on obtaining those free copies. It's very nice that Springfield Armory does provide that. So take advantage of that to increase your knowledge. Here is a parts and EX view, and here we have the 4 basic shooting positions. A very cool diagram. Section for notes, quite a few pages, and again the contact information, because this is a complicated device, and I highly encourage you to seek out further information from this company. So again, this is just a brief book review, media review of M1A Rifle via Springfield Armory. Feel free to check out other book review, media reviews on the channel. We also do unboxing videos as well as show and tell videos on more specific vintage and milsurp items. We also do curios for the curious, which are more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.